Hi guys, my name is Runo Sadua, and in this video I'm going to explain HTML, CSS and JavaScript like Gear 5. HTML, CSS and JavaScript are the foundations of every web application or website that you see out there. Literally almost every application or website that you see out there today are built with at least two of these technologies. So having a great understanding of these technologies will help you to move faster when you apply these technologies to build real life applications. HTML, the skeleton of web pages. So just imagine the human body was created with programming languages. I'll say the skeleton was created with HTML because HTML gives shape and structure to our web pages. There are three things to note about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and like I said earlier, it gives shape and support to web pages. If humans were made from coding, I'll say our skeleton is HTML. And then 3, a web page is a collection of elements. Each element has its unique function, just as we have the skull, rib cage. Just think about these as elements of the skeleton. This is not a technical tutorial, so I won't go into details about these HTML elements, but in the future tutorials where we'll be doing practical stuff, we'll go in depth into each and every one of these elements and see their functions. Let's add some CSS to our HTML. Now, I call CSS the makeup of web pages. Just imagine you walking down the street and then you see a skeleton. It's not appealing, it's not aesthetically pleasing, it's ugly. So just imagine, like I said, humans were built with programming languages. I'll say what makes us look appealing is makeup, I'll say, and that's CSS in this case. So CSS adds beauty to our web pages. They cover up all those ugly HTML structures, like the skeleton. They, give us fresh skin, good eyebrows, great clothes, So if you remove everything from this guy plus his skin, you're going to see a skeleton, and that's basically HTML. So basically, in a nutshell, CSS is the makeup of web pages. And there are 3 things to note about CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and CSS gives beauty to our web pages. It makes our web pages appealing and aesthetically pleasing. Like I said, it's the makeup of the web. And the third thing is that it's made up of a set of rules that come together to create styles. So this is actually on a practical basis when we're actually going to get our hands dirty and apply these technologies to build something. You're going to understand this third point more. So it's time for JavaScript. Now, from this meme here, you're going to see that JavaScript is actually fire. You guys must have, if you've previously done any research out there about JavaScript is actually what gives life to our websites or web applications. So basically, it's actually what makes, if human beings were like I said, same analogy, like if we created with programming languages, I'll say JavaScript is actually what helps us to react, to talk, to dance, to move, to express ourselves. So there are 3 things to note about JavaScript, and JavaScript is totally different from Java. There are 2 different programming languages. That's JavaScript and Java. So if someone says, "Hey, I program in Java," don't think it's JavaScript. He literally means Java. Java is a programming language on its own. The short form for JavaScript is JS. And like I said earlier, JavaScript breathes life into web pages. If humans were made up from programming, from coding, then our ability to walk, jump, laugh, and react to things is because of JavaScript. JavaScript can be used to program games. ML stands for machine learning, cloud services, simple websites, mobile apps, hardware. Like JavaScript is all encompassing. It's like it's a general purpose language. It's so powerful. You can literally use it to build any type of application or software that you can think about out there. So that's why it's so powerful and so popular out there. And there you have it, the holy trinity of the web. So thank you so much. I hope this introduction of the web technologies, the foundational web technologies, helps you to really understand what each of these technologies do. In future videos, we're going to get our hands dirty. We're going to start from HTML, go to CSS, and down to JavaScript. And from there on, we'll explore the whole world of web development. Please like, subscribe, and please comment down below also when you subscribe and let me know that you subscribed. I actually want to build a community of learners. This is not just a YouTube channel that just drops videos and doesn't interact with my audience. I really want to build a community and build some engagement with every single one of you out here. Your views mean a lot to me, and your growth also in this career means a lot to me. I'm actually new to this. This is my new video. This is my first YouTube video, and I need all the support to, push this. I want to see people learn. A lot of people out there reached out to me in the past that they want to learn programming because they've seen how far programming has changed my life, and how far it is taking me. And I want to use my knowledge and my experience over the years to impact people. So please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and look out for my videos. There's so much coming for you. Thank you so much once again. And don't forget to drop a comment below saying that you subscribed so we could build some interaction. Thank you so much. I'm gonna drop a link to this slides that I used, that I created for this. Thank you so much. It means so much to me for watching this. Thank you.